Hello, welcome back to another video on the channel. I know I've been away for quite a while, but I'm here now, so let me show you what I've got for you today. So the beauty is over there. She is ready for what I prepared for you for her today. And as usual, coffee is ready, and let's see what I've got for her today. There you go, a bunch of goodies I bought, and all of those are for her to take care of her as she takes care of me. In the future, she will have something done to her, but nothing special. I'm gonna show you, sorry about the wind, I'm gonna show you something happened. I'm gonna make another video for that, so stay tuned. So I'm not gonna bother you with the unboxing of all of that, but before I do any of those, I want to start with this, and I'm gonna show you in a few seconds. Right, so what I've tried to do off camera was to go to service ETC Volvo and try to reset it, but it is a big but. Vehicle selects, oops. F1 4K, and not support on this vehicle, so I guess I'm gonna pass this. I can't do it because my vehicle is not doesn't support that thing. So that's that. Let's get on with the next thing I want to do. Something must go wrong. I picked up the wrong expansion bottle. Like it should look like that, but it's like this. Anyway, I have to send it back and get another one. Coffee break. But at least the power steering bottle looks exactly as it should for my car. Here's the cap, the lid, so everything is as it should with this one. So my next thing I'm trying to do is simply put something like U-shape like this on here, because as you see it's bare metal and maybe it will damage this, it will start to rattle. So yeah, I'm gonna put here that U-shaped rubber. As you see, it comes very close to each other, so I have to spread them out like this, because if you look on here, this is two sheets of metal combined, but here is like 3 of them, and it's quite thick. So it looks like this, and by magic 1, 2, 3, and there we go, one side and the other side. So apparently today for me is not that good. It's not how I planned. For example, I bought this handbrake replacement kit with the shoes and everything, but her decided to work. The handbrake works now, I don't know what was the reason, but I will check into it. And the reason being is I have to check out the foot brake as well, because I think I have a problem with the foot brake. Like the calipers don't work as they should. They don't press the brake pads enough, and that might be the biggest reason I will have to change the brake pads and brake discs in the front here, because I made a trip outside the country and I had great speeds, and when I was braking, like a couple of times I had to brake very hard, and if those didn't work, the whole pressure, the whole weight of the car was on the front brake discs, and they kind of got out of shape. They're not straight up right now, they're like this, and I will have to change them. Coffee break. Already ordered them and I'm waiting for them to come. So I'm gonna get on and fix a bit my my leather inside the car. So I bought that one, as I showed you. Bought this thing as well. Unfortunately, it didn't come with user manual or anything, so I'm gonna leave it for another time. Right now I'm gonna use this, and I'm only gonna use it on my steering wheel here because it had these marks. I can't really show you none right now, but anyway, I thought it was dirt. I grabbed a brush, was quite hard, and I start brushing all over the steering wheel. I damaged the steering wheel, the leather on it, like this. That was the reason I bought this. Feels quite nice, but I was never a fan of these. Just like I'm not a fan of these covers, seat covers. They're very nice to touch, to feel. Everything is quite nice, but I just want to make everything, you know, to be as intended from the factory. To do so, you know, I will have to repair the seats with this dish sponge and this, and I'll show you in a minute how everything turns out. And as a demonstration, this is how it looked before. That is the difference. Of course it's not like new, but really looks much better than it was before. I'll move on with it, you know, to complete the job. Coffee break. And this is the result. To be honest, is not perfect, but it's way better than it was before. And here you can see the difference between the color that it had. It was dark gray, now it's black, and my opinion is it looks very good. I know not everyone will agree with me when I say this looks better than before, but I will still have to apply 2 layers and let them dry for 24 to 48 hours. The seat doesn't look that bad, but I think I can make it look even better. And ta-da! My seats look much better than before. So there you have it. I'm sorry this day didn't turn up as I wished for, but eventually still turned up good. So give it a thumbs up, a share, subscribe if you like, and I'll see you next time here on the channel. Bye.